Oh, back to square one. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is so different for me. Look at me, I'm like sweating bullets already. Actually, I just finished working out. My cardio on Saturday is thebomb.com. I have to go to my cardio class because I feel like I get major cleansing inside and out. So I sweated, it's not a word, I sweat like crazy when I do cardio, which is a good thing, because if I don't sweat, then I'm like, why am I even going to cardio class? So this video is different. I'm organizing my makeup. I'm taking my makeup from my 3 drawers plus 2 acrylic cases that I see across the way that I'll show you in a minute, and organizing them, taking them out, put them in a rolling cart that I bought from Amazon. I did a lot of research. I was going to buy one of those travel cases, you know, the ones that open up, and I'm like, what do I need a travel case for? I refuse to be one of those YouTubers where, you know, they have all these cabinets full of makeup. The drawers you pull out, they're beautiful makeup, everything is lined up, everything is perfect. Well, that is not going to be me. I hope that's not going to be me. I bought this rolling cart from Amazon. It's in a box. I haven't opened it. I have no idea. I know you have to put it together. It is a 6-drawer rolling cart. It is inexpensive. It's probably El Cheapo Depot. You know, you put your stuff in there, organize whatever you want in the drawers, and then you just roll it around. What I want to do is take this cart when I'm filming, just take it with me to my studio, and then if I need to get ready for a date now or something, bring the cart back in. I just want to get rid of this makeup that are causing a lot of anxiety. I'm a very tidy person. I don't like clutter. And when you see these drawers, they are very cluttered, full of makeup, and I tend to use the makeup that's sitting on top versus what's under because it's like easy access. So I'm going to do that right now. And I'm going to set the camera a little different. You're going to see me put this together. I hope I'm not missing any pieces or screws. I don't know, but I love putting things together. So this is going to be like a little fun project. God, I hope this works out. Well, this is a very awkward position to be in, but let's open up this box and let's keep our fingers crossed that every piece is inside this box. Oh, I cut myself. Okay, this is very sharp, very sharp. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This is extremely sharp, you guys. As I touch it again. I need to get a hammer. I'll be right back. Hammer time.
Stop. Hammer time.
I seriously can't get over my boo-boo. Nowhere on here says, warning, you will cut yourself. Nowhere. This one is broken. Okay. Well, I am not returning this. That is for sure. Oh, what a bummer. Oh, it's broken in the front. Really? Does it have to be broken in the front? That's where the knob goes. And that's what you get for $40. A boo-boo and broken pieces. Okay, next. What a bummer. I can't believe this is broken, but I am going to contact the company to see if they can send me another drawer, which I kind of doubt, but you never know. It is cheap. This is what you get. I have no idea where to begin. I think I'm just going to take my lipsticks and put them in drawer numero uno, the first drawer, and then go from there. I'll go through these drawers at a later date and get rid of some stuff I don't use because I can't. This is overwhelming already, so I'm just going to go to drawer number 2. Drawer number 3. Gosh, I was just thinking, I hope I have enough drawers. 6 drawers. I'll make it work. Bronzers and highlighters in another drawer. I am just realizing that I don't have enough drawers. I'm using 4 so far, but I do need to go through those drawers and get rid of some stuff I don't use. So I'm down to 2 drawers left. Oh, and I still have this drawer and also this drawer, and then also 2 cases, 2 makeup cases back there, but I don't know what to do here. Foundation and concealers. Let me move the camera. Not enough drawers. How did I put all this and more in 3 drawers? How did I do it? I am running out of drawers, so I think what I'll do is put blush and contour powders and contour sticks in 1 drawer. This is so overwhelming. Help. And maybe highlighters, or maybe not. This is not working out the way I want it to work out. Ay, 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 what did I get myself into? Okay, I mean, seriously, do I use all these lipsticks and lip glosses and liquid lipsticks? No, I want to put all these in 1 drawer and get rid of a lot of stuff. So here we go. You know what, I'll put my lip liners in this container. Did that help? I don't know. Or do I just dump everything in there? This is not gonna work. This is way too much in this drawer. But it'll have to do for now because I have to go through these and see which ones I really want and I don't want. That's done at a later date because right now I am overwhelmed. I'm just gonna put this drawer on the side and move on to the last drawer. Oh my gosh, I still have that drawer. What do I do? Oh, this is not working out the way I want it to work out. I may have to get another cart, but let's see. So much for coming up with this amazing idea. Why did this not work out? I really wanted this concept to work out. I think what I'll end up doing is having someone custom make a cabinet that's on wheels. I tried to find one at where? At IKEA and other places, but they didn't have one that's low enough. It has to go under here. This fits perfect. It could go a little bit higher, but this fits perfect under my vanity. And of course I need it to be on wheels. Ooh, I'm gonna sneeze any second. Don't sneeze, don't sneeze. So yeah, this is not going to work out. I do not recommend you get this. Unless you're using items that are going to be very light to store, like feathers. But this unit is no-no for me. It is falling apart. Ow. Oh, my knees are killing me. It is falling apart at the seam. This is not going to last. So I'm back to square one and I'm so bummed. If you guys have any ideas, any alternative ideas, let me know. But I really wanted to use this. I want to roll it into my bathroom and roll it right back out into my studio. And I still have more makeup to organize, so this is not going to be enough. I have to figure something else out. I'm so disappointed. I'm sure you are disappointed too. And I need to stop leaning on it because this will fall apart. Come on. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Yay, thumbs up this video. Woohoo. Until next time, have a fabulous day. Oh, back to square one. Well, are you surprised? No, I'm sure you're not, because this is going back. The 6th drawer unit is going back, and I'm back to square one. And actually, you know what? I just have to keep my drawers tidy and live with this. So this is one of my drawers. I didn't get rid of a lot of makeup, believe it or not. Here's the second one, and here's the third one. Okay, goodbye unit. So let me show you where I keep my eyeshadow palette on the right hand side of my bathroom on top of a cabinet. There are 2 acrylic cases. One is enclosed that has 4 drawers. I keep my single eyeshadows here as well as my smaller eyeshadow palettes. This case I believe I bought at Marshall's or Amazon. If I find both cases, of course, I'll link them down below. The other case is made for eyeshadow palettes to store them, and I love this acrylic case because, I mean, look at it. Doesn't it look really pretty on my cabinet? It really does. And let me say this, for someone that rarely wears makeup, that's a lot. Lots going on over here and back there. A lot of eyeshadow palettes, but it looks good, doesn't it? I mean, look at this. I think it looks good.